Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by unlocking the iPhone X and going straight into Settings, Face ID, and Passcode. Enter your device passcode when prompted. This authorizes any Face ID changes. Once done, you'll see Face ID options listed with toggles for different features. Make sure you're not wearing sunglasses or anything that obscures your features if you plan to reconfigure later. Now tap the option that says Reset Face ID or disable the feature you want to remove, and prepare to confirm the action. You'll now remove the stored facial data by tapping Reset Face ID. This deletes the face model from the secure enclave. Confirm the action in the pop-up by tapping Reset again. If your goal is to stop Face ID for specific functions instead, toggle off options like iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, Wallet, or Password Autofill. Once toggled off, Face ID won't authenticate those functions, but the face data remains unless you chose Reset. Make sure to complete the confirmation step to finalize changes. Finish by restarting the iPhone X to ensure the reset takes full effect. This clears temporary caches and reapplies security settings. If you want Face ID back later, go to Settings, Face ID, and Passcode and choose Set up Face ID, then follow the on-screen scans. If the reset doesn't stick or you see errors, make sure iOS is up to date and try again. If issues persist, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for diagnostics. That resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.